Good afternoon. My name is Margenis Mendez. My daily routine, I wake up very early in the morning, normal around 6 o'clock a.m. right away. I get out to the bathroom, I shower, brush my teeth, dry my hair with the dress, and comb my cut. Then I return to my room undress. Normally, I would change blouse or sweater and tennis shorts. At a quarter to 7, I had breakfast with my family. At 7, I left home and take a motorcycle as a means of transportation to work. The sunset is at 8:05 for the time when I hold these chairs in front of the workplace for that time. This is very short my daily routine. Down the late, I take the time and do some shopping to take home. Then I go back to work, and I hope that the party time is at 6:15 p.m. Then I pay for a motorcycle to take me home. I got my parents and my brothers there. Then out my day was I helped my mother to prepare dinner and then we had dinner together at 8 o'clock p.m. Then I was the slot, leaves the kitchen clean, I take out my closet. I get in to basketball my tail. I go out to buy the enchanted and then I start for a week with my relatives. In then at 9:15, I put on my pajamas and go to sleep, but not before cameras in marking a player, guiding terms good for arbits me to complete another day and care for and protect my family. I put the rest of the night in this heart and at him that the next day be a day full of his mercy and blessing and so every day of the week. On Saturday, I got up early. I go to work and leave at 2 o'clock p.m. And then the rest of the day, I take it go to university in the afternoon in try to advance the work science. I do not have much time to go to university and doing the work after leaving university, I traveled back to my house when I really I well my mother in what is being done that we have dinner as a family. After I back to the wheel is forward at night I at 6 I also practice bigger football on Monday and Friday at night in square of my community, which is very satisfying for me since practicing some sport helps me take care of my hair. On Sunday, I, I get out literally early since it's the only day I can dedicate to cut so with my family, we attend the Sunday school that is held in the Christian Church Catholic community. Thank you.